Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today Newt will be doing a chain link fence. They have started the process already, so they're going to try and complete it today. If not, then they'll come back another day to complete it. Stay tuned and enjoy, guys, while we cook some food and do some fencing.
When we're done, people see we, they can hire we,
Which is right.
Tap the low cap them cause them have little play in there. So them here attack, you know. So make them tuck here. Put them.
We use mixed extinction.
Eh?
And we usually bend them so that we shot them higher.
You can go and drop in them, you know. So here it's it now. Lift up them there, put it over a pipe and then push in the back.
Now we have to go do all of them.
Push it over. Yeah. That's just the one that was flat.
So today we're making pumpkin punch. So over here we already boiled the pumpkin. As you can see, the pumpkin is ready to put in the blender.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's vanilla. And cinnamon was added. And now we're gonna add supplicant to boost us up.
Very good.
Goodness. Nice. What's happening here? Everything breaking away?
So then I get a good grip.
How it tastes? So cool,
It's like
man.
ice cream.
So cool. So cool and
Ice
nice.
cream I put in there? Milk? Cream of pumpkin? Oh! You know, lady, I tell me, see, I soon.
tastes like ice cream, you know, say it tastes good.
Nice. Huh? No. It was a good shoes, but let us know where it goes again. Oh yeah, see it? And a Clark's, you know?
Ew.
Women.
What with women, Saskia? Because you're a woman, let us get to beat you today. Come on, can we ready for you?
God is good.
All the time.
Praise be.
I am 5'3". Do not get it twisted.
Yeah, 5 flat.
Me not know 5 flats. Out of order, but me 5 flats.
Yeah, 5 flat. You tell her. I'm a 5'11". Nice.
What's my foot?
One inch shorter. That's 6. You just can't say 6 feet then.
Man, I'm not 6 feet. He look short like.
1 inch. 5, 6.
Who short and tuku?
You, Diane, you're short like.
And tuku?
Not tuku.
You say me short and tuku Saskia.
Really.
But new out order.
You can't take them, make. Oh, you know, some need to sleep a little side, right? Sassy. Don't get me in any trouble. Measure on the just a little bit low, so I'm going to slice it. My name is by dip, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to slice that drop in it.
Oh yeah, but it's not even nice.
Yeah, man. Alright. Nice, no?
You see?
You need that here.
Good
Good one, me no want none.
What's up? I know a good fish.
cut off your hand?
The first one we cut, man. Come on.
Oh.
What's up there? Wrap around it tight.
Look like nothing yet, but
Coming on.
it's coming on. It's coming on. They're rolling out the fence. And the construction man just damaged him finger. Cause him just a sidekick apprentice passed down from him father. You know, so.
Part of the work, you know.
Right, so that's how much. So you only responsible for
This part is very frustrating, right, Errol?
Oh yes.
I know.
me up, man.
We think of the easy part.
This is the part of the hard part where you have to try to tighten it up. Newt, this is the hard part where you try to tighten up the thing.
Make sure everybody have food. Everybody got their money.
Remember
The master
when you
is
draw
here.
cluster, right? So when you hang up tie these, you know, you can't say you do that, you do these, so.
You know, so me hang up tight.
So it can
See that,
run.
brother? Hang up tight, me no do. That one you make
So
it
it
run.
can run. You understand?
Okay.
But let me see, one and two of them, it was wheel down. This one, this tight or tight. I really work with it. So that's why I'm not running, you understand? Alright.
Miss a spot like this. Back into the oven. So which part does you connect me with your giant bucket there? I can't show you which part of giant, sir.
He said to his father. He said to his father and his father find out him come.
Cause him know, cause him has something with him do all the while.
I know both him and me can't find out which part.
Enjoying your food
Great. Awesome.
while fixing the fence. A nice glass of juice, guys.
Nice cup of juice, not glass.
Cup of juice. Enjoy. Fence all sorted out, guys. Just need the tension, and that's what they're putting in right now. Fence looking lovely. Fence looking amazing, guys.